and phenol. We know that the general formula of alcohol ROH. Let's write the symbol of alcohol like this. While الفينول AR aryl group OH. I said that benzene ring electrophilic. It attracts the negative to form a negative partial charge on benzene ring. Make that positive partial charge on oxygen. The hydrogen carries positive partial, so the repulsion occurs between oxygen and the hydrogen and phenol. So the presence of benzene ring makes the bond between O and H long and weak, can be broken easily. While in the case of alcohol, alkyl group repel electrons, forming positive charge on the alkyl and the negative partial charge on oxygen, which attracted more to hydrogen, which carries positive partial. So the presence of alkyl group makes the bond between O and H short and strong. Short and strong. So difficult to be broken, but the bond between the alkyl and the oxygen can be broken. So phenol react as acid because it can easily lose hydrogen. So we call the phenol carbolic acid. It is called carbolic acid. Carbolic acid. While alcohol is neutral, because it is difficult to separate the O, we say that the acidity properties of alcohol appears only in the reaction between strong metal such as sodium and potassium. As we said, it gives alkoxide. So again, we'll explain the difference between, when ask me about the acidity of alcohol and acidity of phenol, I must say that presence of alkyl group makes the bond between the O and H short and strong, so it is a neutral compound. While the presence of benzene ring and phenol makes the bond between the O and H very long, the O and H, because repulsion occurs between them, very long and easy to be broken, so it has acidic effect. We call the phenol carbolic acid. Both can react with sodium. Ethanol, for example, reacts with sodium to form sodium ethoxide and the hydrogen involved. With sodium or potassium only, the reaction between alcohols and this active metal. While phenol can react with sodium or sodium hydroxide or sodium oxide, metal or metal oxide or metal hydroxide, to form phenoxide, sodium phenoxide, and the hydrogen involved when it reacts with sodium. Sodium and the phenol, it gives sodium phenoxide or sodium phenate when we consider the phenol as an acid, and the hydrogen involved. Also, when it reacts with sodium oxide or sodium hydroxide, it gives also sodium phenoxide and water. So phenol is acid. While the reaction between HCl, hydrogen halide, and phenol cannot be occurs because the two are acids. But we know that ethanol can react with HCl to form ethyl chloride and water, while phenol cannot react with HCl or HBr. This is the difference between alcohol and